Adobe Rush claims to be the ultimate video editing tool for beginners, but does it live up to that promise? Today, we're diving into whether this app really makes video editing a breeze or if it's just another overhyped solution. Adobe Rush is designed to simplify video editing for newcomers, offering a user-friendly interface that's visually appealing. Right off the bat, you'll notice the drag and drop functionality, which makes it easy to import clips and arrange them on the timeline. The core features include basic editing tools like trimming, splitting, and adding transitions, which are essential for any beginner. Plus, it supports multi-device syncing, allowing you to start editing on your phone and finish on your desktop seamlessly. However, while the app is straightforward, some users may find the limited advanced features a bit frustrating. For example, there aren't as many effects or filters compared to more robust platforms like Adobe Premiere Pro. Also, the audio editing capabilities are fairly basic, which might not satisfy those looking for more control. Overall, it seems tailored for casual users who need something quick and easy, but it might leave more serious editors wanting more. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Adobe Rush is incredibly easy to navigate, making it perfect for beginners. The ability to sync projects across devices is another strong point, which is really convenient. However, the app does have its drawbacks. The lack of advanced features can be limiting for users who want to dive deeper into video editing. Additionally, while it's part of the Adobe ecosystem, it does require a subscription, which might not sit well with everyone, especially those just starting out. Also, some users have reported occasional performance issues, especially when handling larger files. So, if you're a complete novice, you might enjoy it, but more experienced editors might find it lacking. In conclusion, Adobe Rush is a solid choice for beginners looking to get their feet wet in video editing. It's user-friendly and offers essential features without overwhelming complexity. However, if you anticipate needing more advanced tools down the line, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth a try if you're just starting out.